Hunt, Alan Jackman, Vice Government, Lanao del
together
Norte.
with our first district, second district representative, Honorable Mina City Kibulan sa Dimaporo. To our very special guest this morning, I would like to acknowledge and welcome the Chairman of Philippine Sports Commission, Jan Patrick Pato Gregorio. Good morning, sir. The Commissioner of Philippine Sports Commission, Matthew Gaston, welcome. The Chairperson of National Youth Commission, represented by Ms. Karen Anover. Our provincial administrator, Kalita, here. This commission superintendent, Lanao del Norte, Dr. Edwin Maribuho. Innovation Sports Officer, Department of Education, Ms. Arlen D. Matinsay. To the board members who are in attendance this morning, I will not mention the name. Thank you for coming. The Chief Program Research and Development Division, Dr. Lauro Domingo. Our Philippine Sports Commission Executive and Speakers, I would like to mention there. The Chief of Staff, Office of the PSC Chairman, Professor Lois Asmil R. Sonido. The Chief Director of the National Academy of Sports, ASO Professor Francis Carlos Diaz. The President of the Philippine Simpak Taklao Association, Incorporated, Ms. Karen A. Tika Valero. The Head and Consultant, Sports Psychology, Philippine Sports Commission, ASO Professor Karen Katina V. Trinidad. The Sports Cycler and Runner, Mr. June Navarro. Ang atong mga halangtod na mayor in attendance, I would like to mention them one by one. Honorable Mayor Jerry Cabao of Food, Mayor Ashley D. Ramin of Mayor Unang Piatapo, Mayor of Dinamon, Procopio V. Chan, Vice Mayor of Colombunan, Angelo Compitario, the Mayor of Catua, Mayor Rizky Lendes de Macuca, the Mayor of Sapa, Mayor Paco Asis, Mayor of SND, Mayor Montalim Di Mapuro, Mayor of Matandao, Mayor Jabel M. Asset, Mayor of Pangar, Mayor Abdul Bashir D. Taki, Mayor of Bacolod, Mayor Joseph Miquiamas, Mayor of Manungan, Mayor Cindy Nor Alia Mamay, Mayor of Patuloy, Mayor Mali Elias Ali. Gathered here today. It is a great honor to stand before you, the vibrant, energetic, inspiring future of our province. Today, as we open this Youth and Sports Summit, we are doing much more than gathering. We are setting the stage for the next generation of leaders, champions, and peace builders of Lanao del Norte. From the very beginning, Lanao del Norte has embraced itself as a true sports hub. Not only within Northern Mindanao, but across the entire nation. The establishment of Mindanao Civic Center Sports Complex, conceived under the leadership of former provincial governor and congressman Abdullah Di Mapuro, realized during the incumbency of Honorable Imelda Quebrancia Teodoro as provincial governor, stands as a world-class sports instructors and living testament of Lanao del Norte enduring commitment to sports civility. This landmark facilities reflect not only missionary leadership, but also the province's unwavering dedication to nurturing athletes, promoting grassroots program, and positioning Lanao del Norte as hub for excellent sports. Today, we are proud to welcome the visit of the official of the National Youth Commission and the Benetton Sports Commission headed by Chairman and Honorable Jan Patrick Pato. To conduct an ocular inspection of the Mindanao Civic Center as a proposed regional sports training center. This endeavor reflects not only national recognition of our world-class facilities, but also the promise of greater opportunities to our athletes and communities. With NCC Invasion as a training ground for national athletes, our province stands to benefit as many ways. It will elevate the standard of our sports program, bringing experts coaching and modern training closer to our grassroots, and inspire our youth to dream beyond local competition. It will also stimulate economic activity, attract visitors, and strengthen our identity as a hub of sports excellence in Northern Mindanao. With the support of the national partners and local leaders, the summit serves as a clear purpose, ensuring our youth leaders and athletes have a say in shaping future sports program, strengthening grassroots training, coaching, and athletes welfare across every municipalities using sports as driving force for peace, health, character development across Lanao. As we convene in the Youth and Sports Summit, I, as the Vice Governor, and on behalf of our beloved Provincial Governor, Muhammad Karim Quebrancia de Mapolo, urge everyone to renew our pledge to invest in our athletes, empower our coaches, and inspire our youth. Together, we will shall build a province where sports not only a game, but a movement for progress, inclusion, and pride. Maraming salamat. May the spirit of sports continue to ignite hope, excellence in Lanao del Norte. Mabuhay ang Lanao del Norte! Or not Lanao del Norte!